Welcome everyone to the Celebrity Cricket League, and of course the Chennai Rhinos are doing very well at the moment, and I have with me owner of the Chennai Rhinos team, Mr. Ganga Prasad. Sir, you must be very, very happy with your team's performance at the moment.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, thanks to my boys, they are doing very well. Today I hope definitely we are going to win. We are champions. We will do well. I hope that all my fans and all Chennai viewers, I am saying we will give guarantee to win. Yeah, that's all.
Guaranteed to win, I'm sure. I hope so that it happens for your sake. But you know, the Chennai Rhinos have been favourites because they were champions of the last season of the Celebrity Cricket League. And this year somehow they haven't clicked on a couple of occasions. Why do you think that's happened?
No, that's what actually it's cricket. You know, everything will happen. But now from this match onwards, I hope that definitely will come. Last year also it's happened 1 or 2 matches same way. We will come up. We will give our best competence.
Well, 2020 cricket is like that. Now, what do you think of the atmosphere at the Chinnaswamy Stadium? I have to say, there's quite a huge support for the Chennai Rhinos, actually.
No, that's what we are very lucky. Wherever we go, Hyderabad, Kochi, Bangalore, all the places, including Sharjah, Chennai Rhinos having a very good mass support from public. That's why we are very lucky. Thanks for that.
I hope that luck continues with you, and all the very best, and enjoy the rest of the game. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Archana, and definitely all the teams having great support. This has been a fantastic tournament so far. The extras, now that's a cause of concern as far as Karnataka Bulldogs are concerned. Moving on to 24, once again, injury. That's the captain, was hit earlier as well on his knee. Not having the best of times as far as injury is concerned in this game.
Tough time for Sudeep, the wicket-keeper. Got a blow on his knee early in the innings, and once again he seems to be in some kind of pain. There is gloom in the dugout of Karnataka Bulldozers, but again he's up. As the spirit, Sudeep fell down.
But Sabha, you have been a wicket-keeper. It's never easy, and that's a tough job. Once again, the ball down the leg side, hitting him earlier we saw on his knee, and once again hitting him on his leg on that occasion. That can be pretty painful. The sheer hard work, isn't it, wicket keeping?
Yeah, it is, and it's become extremely demanding now with this T20 format coming in. You need to be on your toes all the time. You need to stand up to even medium pacers. It does make a big difference. Hits it well. It's in there. It has gone long. It's gone into the stands. Excellent blow from Vishnu. Down on one knee, and he smashes it over the head of long on fielder for a delightful 6.
Well, when he hits this day hit, that was not big, that was huge from him. This coming underneath the ball and getting the power, a lot of bottom hand to the strike, and clearing the rope by a few margin on that occasion. He's batting well, he's looking good, he's looking threatening. That was in fact the second 6 of this innings.
Partnership, excellent one here for Rhinos. 46 from 37 deliveries. Bulk of the scoring done by Vishnu, who's on 27. Good strike rate he has maintained. He needs more support from Jiva from the other end. Otherwise the pressure will build up on Vishnu to get the big shots for his side.
Yeah, rightly mentioned, Jiva has to be more aggressive. Once again, the striking on the pads, going for the single to end the over. Leg by a single from the umpire. 118 for 1. So 24 legal deliveries left in this innings. The big question, how many runs can Chennai runners get from here? They've had a very good foundation up the order. It's going to be Sudhir from the pavilion end. He's done a decent job. 2 overs, just conceding 7 runs. So far has been wicketless. At the moment, the umpires just consulting each other.
So what kind of score they're looking at this stage? 9 wickets in hand with 4 overs to go. Look to get another 35 to 40 of these last 4 overs. Get to a score about 160, 165. That will be extremely healthy in these conditions. Oh, he gets it. Inside edge onto the stumps. And it is Sudhir who has broken through once again for his side.